Al-Beruni. Al-Beruni was one of the most famous Muslim scientists. His full name was Abu Rehan Muhammad ibn Ahmed al-Beruni. He was born in Uzbekistan. He was a creative and universal writer. He wrote more than 150 books. His books were composed of the concepts of mathematics, physics, geography, astronomy, cosmology, archaeology, history, biology, geology, and chemistry. He talked about the behavior of the solar system in his book Kaun al-Masudi. He described the method of determining the latitude and longitude of a place on Earth. He is called the founder of Indology and father of modern geodesy. He died in Ghazni, Afghanistan around 1048 AD. Like and subscribe.